Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a new lesson, mensuration. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the perimeter and area. Okay, suppose Mohan, he wants to build a compound wall around his house. Okay, he is going to make a compound wall. You know the compound wall, isn't it? He is going to make a compound wall. So before making the compound wall, what he has to do? He has to take the length of the compound wall. How much distance he has to make the compound, isn't it? So suppose here his compound is like this. The shape of his compound is like this. Now, what he has to do? He should know the distance of this much. This length he should know. Then this length. Then this length. Then this length. And this length. That means, what is perimeter? Perimeter is the total length of the boundary. Okay? Total length of the boundary. So, this distance. Suppose it is 5 centimeter. 5 meter. Then it is 8 meter and it is 3 meter, then 4 meter, then it is 6 meter. Then he has to make the compound wall. Okay, he should know what is the total length. Then he has to add this 5 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6. Then he will get the how much distance he has to make the compound wall, right? So, the sum of the boundary is called the perimeter of that compound wall, right? Then, how can we find the perimeter of this figure? Figure is this. How will you find the perimeter of this figure? It is a triangle, right? So, this triangle 5 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. How will you find the perimeter? To find the perimeter, we have to add all the sides. So let us add this 5 plus 4 plus 3, that is equal to 12 centimeter is the perimeter of this triangle. Okay, similarly we can find the perimeter of any figure. Perimeter means, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the total length of the boundary is called the perimeter. Okay, now let us find the perimeter of this rectangle. Rectangle, it is 8 centimeter. This is also 8 centimeter. 5 centimeter. So also 5 centimeter. Okay, in a rectangle we know that this is the length and it is the breadth. Right? So, how will you find the perimeter of this rectangle? So, perimeter is the sum of the boundary, sum of the length of the boundary. Let us find that, that is 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8. That's equal to 5 plus 5, 10, 18, then 26 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Okay, then if we in another rectangle, if the length of this rectangle we consider it as L and the breadth is B, okay, then what will be this length? Both the opposite sides are same. In a rectangle, opposite sides are same. So, if it is length and this side also will be the length, this also will be the length. Then if it is breadth, opposite sides are equal. So, this also will be the breadth. Okay, then how will you find the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of the length of the boundary. So let us add the boundaries. Then that is length plus, this is the length plus breadth plus, again we have to add length plus breadth. Okay, how many times here length? How many lengths are here? 2 times, isn't it? 2 length. Length plus L, we can write it as 2L plus how many breadth? 1 breadth plus again one more breadth, that is 2 breadth, that is 2b. Okay, that is 2 times the length plus 2 times the breadth. So 2 is common in both. So let us take 2 outside. 2 into what is left after taking 2? What is left here? L. L plus, so we have taken 2 outside. What is left? B. So that is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. It is the perimeter of the rectangle. So this is the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B. That means we have to take the sum of length and breadth. Length plus breadth, then multiply by 2, because length is 2 times and breadth is also the 2 times. Right? So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay. Next. Let us find the perimeter of a triangle. In this triangle, all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Suppose this side is A, and all the sides are equal, and this side also will be A, and this side also will be A. Okay, side, that is A plus A plus A. All the sides we have to add, then we get the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to A plus, this is the length of this side, A plus, length of this side is again A plus, and length of this side is again A. That is A plus A plus A, that is equal to 3A. If all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, we have to use this formula, that is sum of the sides, that is 3A. So perimeter of the rectangle is 3 times A, 3 times of the given side. Okay, so we have to multiply what is the side will be given, and that side we have to multiply by 3, then we get the perimeter of the rectangle. Right? Now let us try to find the perimeter of another figure, that is square. We know in a square all the sides are equal. In a square all the sides are equal. So equal sides. If one side is A and another side also will be A, another side also A, and all the sides are A, because in a square all the sides are equal. Right? So here A. Perimeter means, what is the perimeter? The sum of the length of the boundary. Isn't it? All the sides, 4 sides are there, all the sides are equal. So let us write the perimeter. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square is equal to side plus A plus A plus A plus A. 4 times A. That is A plus A plus A plus A is 4 times A. 4 times the side. So what is the side given? Suppose instead of this A, 7 centimeter will be given. 7 centimeter. A is equal to 7 centimeter. How will you find the perimeter? That for all the sides are equal. In a square all the sides are equal. We have to multiply the side. 7 into 7. A is the side. A is 7 centimeter. 7 into 4. 7 4s are 28. We get the answer. Okay, that will be the perimeter of the square. So now we have studied the perimeter of a triangle. All the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, the perimeter of the triangle is 3A. Then if in a square, if a side is A, what will be the perimeter of the square? The perimeter of a square is 4A. Then what is the perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Okay. So we have studied the perimeter of 3 figures, that is triangle, square and rectangle. I hope it is clear. Now let us do the problems based on this formula.